Hey guys, what's going on? Name here. So today it's my time to do an unbox LG Velvet 5G in 2024. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the packaging box. Look at that, it's empty, no logo at all. Let's unbox. Oh wow, nice plastic. Here's the phone. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that, LG Velvet 5G. This is white color. Side, let's see what else in the box. Bubble wrap, a normal Type-C cable. This is fake adaptive fast charging Samsung. This is different one, that's why they give this to me for using like this. My country was like this. And this is the phone. Wow, this is good condition. It has a 4 different of condition. The highest is excellent, good, fair, and fair minus. This is good. The side, it still had plastic, a brand new plastic. Chrome still good. Wow, a curved screen. This sticker is for the 1-year warranty, so they give us 1-year warranty, but make sure this one cannot be removed or damaged. It must be like this until warranty ends. Alright, the phone itself already been set up. It runs on the latest version, Android 13. So here's the lock screen and the home screen. First thing first, let's go to setting. I'm going to show you the version. Select to do down, system, about phone, LG Velvet 5G. This model is LMG 900EM 5G model. Software information, as you can see, Android 13 latest version. The first ever version was Android 10, upgradable to Android 13. Very nice. This is the last version for this LG Velvet 5G. Look at that, wow. Very clean UI. Very nice. So now let's check out the camera. So here's the camera, supports until 48 megapixel. And for the selfie, not bad, very clear. No zoom for the selfie. 10x for the camera. And also got the ultra wide, 0.5x. Very nice. So here's the new phone. Very cheap price. I bought this on Shopee during live. I'm so happy. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this unboxed LG Velvet 5G in 2024 in the comment below. And so this is for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.